Hey, welcome to the exciting world of crypto trading. In this video, we are going to introduce you to a powerful tool that can revolutionize your trading experience, the crypto trading bot. Are you tired of constantly monitoring the markets, missing out on trading opportunities, or making emotional decisions? Well, the crypto trading bot is here to change the game. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to set up and leverage a crypto trading bot to enhance your trading strategy. Curiosity Unleash. Step 1. Choose a reliable and reputable crypto trading bot platform. Some popular options include 3 Commas, Cryptohopper, and Haas Online. Step 2. Sign up for an account on the platform of your choice and complete the necessary verification steps. Step 3. Connect your trading bot to your preferred cryptocurrency exchange. Most platforms support major exchanges like binance, coinbase, and kraken. Step 4. Customize your trading bot settings based on your trading strategy, risk tolerance, and preferred indicators. Once you have set up your trading bot, get ready to experience a range of amazing features designed to optimize your trading performance. Step 5. Take advantage of automated trading strategies. Set specific conditions such as price thresholds or technical indicators, and let the bot execute trades on your behalf. Step 6. Utilize advanced trading indicators and signals to make informed decisions. Many trading bot platforms offer a wide range of indicators, including moving averages, RSI, and MACD. One of the biggest advantages of using a crypto trading bot is its ability to remove emotions from your trading strategy. Step 7. Implement stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk and protect your investment. Set predefined exit points to automatically secure profits or minimize losses. Step 8. Monitor the performance of your trading bot regularly. Analyze its performance, make necessary adjustments to your settings, and stay informed about market trends. By leveraging a crypto trading bot, you gain a competitive edge in the fast-paced and volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Step 9. Keep yourself updated with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency market. Stay informed about regulatory changes, news projects, and industry trends to make well-informed decisions. Step 10. Continuously educate yourself about trading strategies, risk management, and technical analysis. Combine your knowledge with the power of the trading bot for optimal results. So, are you ready to take your crypto trading to new heights? Click the link in the description below to explore our recommended crypto trading bot platforms and start maximizing your trading potential. Bye for now.